We are working on a molder right now. We are experiencing this roller, this drum, just slipping. I have noticed that there's some wear on the gear right there. See how minimal teeth there is? There's like not very many teeth compared to something like this. But if you look on this back gear back here, there's also very little teeth on that one as well. So when I turn this unit on, this big roller right here starts to slip. It's a lot of racket and it's just not rotating at all. So let's give that a shot. All right, here we go. That chain is just sliding on the wheel because there's nothing grabbing the chain. So let me get with the manufacturer and see if there's a replacement roller or replacement sprockets and go from there. This is a Empire EMP 24 or EMP 2A rather. So let's get on the horn. Okay, so this chain is pretty stretched out, and just to get the customer up and running, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of rig this thing up. So using my heavy duty oversized chain breaker, I was able to push these links out and take out several links. That's going to shorten the overall length of this chain, which will allow me to make it tighter on that worn sprocket. I'm gonna order the sprocket from the manufacturer, but for the time being, just gonna kind of reset this to where I can hopefully get the customer up and running for now until that other part gets in. But yeah, let's get this chain back on. Okay, went ahead and made some adjustments to the drivetrain. Got some links removed to make this chain tighter. I wasn't able to adjust the motor, everything was maxed out. Just tightened up this chain on this worn sprocket meanwhile until I get a replacement sprocket. Customer wasn't able to use this, but now they can meanwhile. So all of this section right here has been serviced and tightened. So initially when I would turn the unit on, there was a lot of skipping going on and this roller was not spinning. That is not the case right now. Let's give it a shot. On. Belt is moving. Roller is spinning. There's a little chatter coming out, but the roller is consistently spinning. And this gearbox right here is also working. That little round table right there sits on this shaft, and that table spins. As the bagels are coming off, they just kind of slowly move around, I guess giving the customer time to grab them and get them off of the system. But anyways, we are up and running. Got to check the status on the replacement sprocket for here, and maybe that one if the customer wants to replace it on that back chain, but we'll see what's up.